Hey guys, welcome to Windy Studio, and yes, it's time for another great exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a simple clean looking poster design just using brush and Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's drag and drop this image over here, and let's make it a little bigger. Edit, transform, something like this. Alright, and then now let's create a new layer. Then and put it under layer 2 and go to brush, and on the brush I will just use brush E12. Something like this one. Let's create one more layer. Alright, now let's adjust this image a little bit. So click on layer 2, go to edit, free transform. Let's make it a little bigger. Rotate something like this. Alright, let's get rid of this small portion. So click on layer 4, create a layer mask, go to brush, and let's get rid of this one. Again, let's create a new layer again, and let's add some over here, maybe just a little bit over here too. Now let's do some adjustment on layer 2. So click on layer 2, go to filter, camera raw filter, and let's increase the clarity a little bit. Let's dehaze a little bit, and then increase the texture, decrease whites, and decrease the highlights too. Just increase exposure a little bit, and then go back to sharpening. Let's sharpen the image a little bit. Let's do some noise reduction, maybe something like this. Click over here and create a lookup table. And from here, so let's choose foggy night. Actually, I like foggy night too, but for this design, I would like to make it like more vibrant. So I'll just use fall colors. And let's add some text. Edit, free transform, let's make it a little bigger, somewhere like here. Maybe let's change the font. Add some other text. let's create one ellipse tool, and let's change the fill color to something like this. And let's change the font color to white, and let's make the font a little bigger. So Control T, and let's make it a bigger. Let's add like one more text, so click on text. We'll say yes, March. Let's make it white. Again, Control T to make it a little bigger. And I'll just put it over here. Let's change the font color to white. So that's the final, and hope you guys learned something new from this video, and see you guys in the next video.